All right, so I'm not going to call this an emergency video, but I do want to get it out there right away because coming up this Saturday, August 15th at 12 noon will be our sixth annual food truck festival. It will be held at the Grove, and I wanted to make sure that I got this out before the actual date instead of just taking videos while I am there. I thought I would try to get this out ahead of time just in case anybody is watching and didn't know this was going to be happening, that they might have an opportunity to get out here from whatever direction they're coming and enjoy our grove and all of the things that the food truck festival will have to offer. Now, as you can see there, it says we'll have 20 plus food trucks, cold beverages, live music all day, entertainment, kids zone, free admission, and free parking. What I am going to do is add on a video that I took way back in the beginning of my channel just as I'm walking around the Grove so that anyone unfamiliar with the Grove can get an idea of what it looks like on its own. So with the Food Truck Fest, there will obviously be other things there, but on its own, it is a wonderful resource that our area has. So I just wanted to get this out and make sure that I could reach anybody that might want to come on out and see what we have to offer here in Bourbonnais, Illinois. Now, I do want to say that some of the local businesses that surround the Grove might have extra parking. They might charge a fee, as they do sometimes for the Friendship Festival. But as of the Grove itself, there is parking there and it is free. So please, I just wanted to get this out. Hopefully, you will come out and enjoy your day and have a great time. And so here is the list of the sponsors for all of the various areas and the things involved. And then, like I said again, I'll say it again, August 15th at 12 noon, and it'll run until 10 p.m. And then in a few seconds here, one of my original videos will hook on just so that anyone not from this area or who is not familiar with my channel can kind of see what the Grove is on its own. So hope to see you this coming Saturday. You guys have a great day. Good morning. It is